Alright guys, well some of you may recognize this spot. It's also changed a little bit since last time we've been up here. But this is the spot where we did the 2,300 mile review. And now we are at 5,000 miles. Well, not quite 5,000 miles, but it's close enough to where I can do the review. And we just got a few things to talk about today. So, first things first, I still love the bike. The bike's, it's awesome. Handles great. Nothing's really changed on that. I still have not got the 2-inch lift yet. I'm working on that. I love the sleek look of how it looks now. Like, it doesn't look too high, but I've seen some with the 2-inch lift and it kind of makes it look a little funny. So I just haven't really decided if I want to pull the trigger on that yet or not. Tires is holding up pretty good. I haven't had any like cupping problems. I've heard about a lot of people having those problems. I have yet to have that problem. Floorboards. Floorboards are a little scraped up. I try not to drag them too much because I don't want to wear them out. But it just kind of happens sometimes. Getting rid of the chicken strips on the big girl. The floorboard's hit by that point, and it's like, probably shouldn't go any farther. But, yeah. I still haven't gotten the exhaust yet. Don't know which one I want to go with, because you can only do slip-ons with these. Well, I've heard of people running the 2-in-1s without, like, an aftermarket tune or anything. But from what I heard from a lot of people, they say it gets, like, really hot. But the bike runs. I'd rather it not get, like, super hot, because I don't like being uncomfortable. And I haven't found a seat that I want yet either. This one's really not terribly uncomfortable. So I just haven't really bothered with trying to rush into getting a new seat. This thing is super dirty though. I haven't washed it since last year when I rode it to the dealership to have it checked out, and it rained. I think that was the last time this thing saw water. Brakes still feel good. I haven't had any problems out of those. The throttle lag is terrible. That's like one of the main reasons why I want to tune, is because the lag on the stock computer that has between the actual input of the throttle and whatever it reads to those electronic throttle bodies, the lag is terrible. So unless you like blip it before you actually like let the clutch out, like you'll stall like almost every time. I've stalled like this thing like 3 or 4 times. I noticed it is like if I don't blip it before to get the throttle activated, it'll stall. Haven't had any problems out of it. On the way here, it did shut off on me. Like that was the first time it's done it too. I was downshifting and I was like rolling in. I had the clutch in. I was rolling in like third, getting ready to downshift in the second. Oh no, I might have been in second. I went to second, I think, and then it just went pew and shut off. So I don't know what that was all about. But it fired back up. I just put it. I was almost stopped, so I just put it in first and just dumped the clutch, and it started right back up. So I'm wondering if I need to maybe check my battery terminals to make sure they haven't come loose yet. That might be something I need to look into. Maybe I'll check that a little later after this thing cools off once I get home. That might have been a possibility, like maybe my battery terminals will come at least. But other than that, I got nothing. Like, it's been pretty good so far. The matte paint is still annoying to keep up with. Yeah, the headlights, stock headlights do fine as far as I'm concerned. I'm not about to drop $1,000 on the LP6 conversion kit. I think that's a little ridiculous. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and do another quick review. The 5,000 mile update. I'm about to get it serviced from probably like, what's the date, the 7th? Probably go up there and get it serviced in the 22nd, probably, that Friday. Because they're doing a big like anniversary party / cookout thing at the dealership that I bought this thing from. So I think I'll go up there Friday, get it serviced, and then hang out up there for a couple hours, and then head home. But yeah, I'm just gonna have them do the oil change, check the belt. I feel like I think I hear my belt squeaking a little bit. It also feels like it's a little bit loose, probably because I'm always lumping on this thing all the time. It just feels like it's got. Well, I guess that's pretty tight now. I don't know. Maybe I do feel like it's rubbing because I can kind of hear something. So maybe I'll ask them if they can track it. And then bars. Y'all give me some insight on some good bars that would be good. I don't want like the crazy tall bars that like come up like super high. Like I just want something like a little bit taller than these. Because I don't have a problem with these honestly, other than they're just not really tall enough. So if I could get like these same bars but taller, that'd be perfect. Because I don't want the bars that are like way up here, because then your hand's like up above your windshield where I keep it at, and then you're kind of a little bit more exposed to the elements, I feel like. So I don't like it to be like way up that high. I kind of do wish these ones were turned in a little bit, because they're like kind of straight out. So like when you're doing your slow maneuvers, it feels kind of weird. But I like the look of them. They look really good. I want to get some kind of tail tidy back here, because I don't like these. I don't like those. I want to clean up that back end. So I need to look into that. If y'all know anything for like a tail tidy kit, like let me know that too. I think I want to change out my brake pedal, because I don't like that. It gets in the way of me being able to put my foot right here to rest it, because I don't have highway pegs on. I have highway pegs at the house, I just haven't put them on because I don't know if I like them. Because the way where mine mount to, they stick out kind of far, and I was like, and I like to lean this thing a lot, so I was like, if they're gonna stick out that far, I don't know if I want them. So I might try to put them on again, and then just bring it out here and just kind of see what it does. But that's all we got for today, I think. Just a little review update. I know a few people were asking me to do one, so that's all I got. A whole lot hasn't changed. But yeah, I'll post a picture of the that event that's going to be at the dealership, the Indian Motorcycles Mall of Georgia. If any of you local guys from around here in the Augusta area, you guys want to meet up and ride up there, just let me know, and I'll see what we can do. Or if anybody wants to just like ride around here, like I'm always down to ride, just leave a comment, let me know you want to ride, and we'll get together and we'll go out for a cruise. Have us a good old time. But that's all I got for today, guys. I'm gonna try to go out and ride a little bit more, and see if I can go to the dam and see who else is up there. But I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good one. Peace.